Picked up these L100s recently for a good price, and I don't shy away from taking on projects. And the one good thing about these is that the drivers all appear to be working okay. One of them has a little bit of the aquaplast, or however you pronounce that, chipped off a little bit, but I can take care of that. But I was just kind of documenting the evaluation of what needs to be done here. And the cabinets, well, the top on this one is probably the worst of everything that's here, but not sure if I'm gonna have to re-veneer that, or this one's not too bad, or if I can fix that up. We'll see, either through sanding or oxalic acid. The foam here on the tweeters has to be changed out. We gonna definitely salvage these plates because they have the serial numbers, which are 2 numbers apart, so we'll save those. Gonna pull these cones out and kind of make this whole, the dust caps, and make this whole cone area nicer, more level. Take care of that. The grills are in even worse shape. They don't have the foam obviously on them, but this one here, this one's not so bad. Has all the walnut intact, is okay, not too bad. But this one here, the actual frame is broken. Someone taped it here, broken over here, and at this point, and really pretty rough shape. And someone must have really banged this one around because the walnut's broken off on the side, and I'm probably gonna have to take this whole thing apart and re-glue it and make a new piece for this side. Everything else looks pretty good. Kind of funny, but whoever had it must have used double-sided tape to try to keep the grills on the speakers themselves. But on the back, probably a good opportunity to replace these input jacks with some 5-way binding posts. Both of them are broken, and the back is not too bad. It's just needs maybe a little light sanding and some repainting touch up. The corners are going to be a little tough because there's some veneer missing, and yeah, one of them's even worse. I think it's the back of this one. Oh, here we go. This one here, there's a big chunk taken out on that one. That one's going to take a little bit of surgery to get that going. But hopefully, I'm going to go ahead and retest the drivers today and make sure that they're working all right, which I think they are. But get some new foam, new grill foam for the front, and completely redo these. I have a customer that's wanting these, and also the pegs are sheared off on one of these, so got to get this. This is where they use the double tape to keep the double-sided tape to keep these on, but got to get that drilled out, get those nubs out of there. There's a little, I don't know what happened here. These must have got dropped or something, but the cabinets are in decent shape. Just got to get that kind of filled in and repainted. So anyway, that's I guess the evaluation. On one of the sides too, there was like all this stuff on the walnut, and I thought it was actual gouges in the wood. The place I bought it from, it was a little dark lighting. I couldn't really tell what was going on the side there, but if you notice, I just took a paper towel with some water on it, and it was pretty dirty. So anyway, most of that stuff, I already went ahead and took that off, and that side doesn't look so bad. So this is at least the evaluation stage, and we'll do videos showing progress with this pair.